Hey, Tech Wizards! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an unboxing experience like no other, the ThermalRight AM5 CPU contact frame. Get ready for a front row seat to witness the superheroic unboxing of the gadget that's here to save your CPU from the clutches of overheating. We kick off this unboxing spectacle with the grand entrance of the AM5 CPU contact frame. The packaging screams superhero vibes, and we can't wait to see what's inside. Every superhero needs sidekicks, right? Enter the L-shaped screwdriver and the TF7 thermal paste, the dynamic duo that completes the sidekick squad. We're impressed by the thoughtful inclusion of everything needed for the CPU fiesta. The CPU bending correction, looking sleek and ready for action, takes center stage. Get ready to bid adieu to CPU warping worries. Let's zoom in for a close-up look at the star of the show, the CPU fixed frame. The all-aluminum CNC gold anodizing sandblasting process gives it that superhero armor vibe, and the oxidized edges? A touch of class that's not just for looks but adds scratch resistance. Superhero durability in the spotlight. Now that we've unboxed the superhero gear, it's time to assemble and let our CPU embrace its newfound powers. Stay tuned for our next video, where we put the ThermalRight AM5 CPU contact frame to the test. If you're as excited as we are about this unboxing experience, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and let us know in the comments if you've unboxed any superhero gadgets lately. Until next time, tech on and unbox the extraordinary.